guys making?
Some karaoke.
Some what?
Teriyaki.
Teriyaki?
Yeah, we're making a pie.
A teriyaki pie?
Yeah.
Ooh, that sounds yummy. Are you helping, Easton?
Yeah.
Easton, were you helping Taylor? Are you cooking over there? Are you baking?
We're making a teriyaki pie. I'm putting some of this cupcake ones in there.
Pot? Yeah, pot. You want it to go up? Alright. Up.
Teriyaki pie.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like French.
Like what?
French.
It tastes French?
Yeah, it's French toast.
Oh, French toast. So it's a teriyaki pie that tastes like French toast?
Yeah. It has spoons to put.
Can you get a spoon for Easton too so he can help you?
What's the spoon that I put in here? There it is. You can bring this to the table and some happy birthday.
Oh, it's a teriyaki pie that tastes like French toast. That's for a birthday?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Easton made it for me.
That sure is nice. Easton, what a nice brother you are. You made that for your sister. Cool.
And then we're going to put some movies on them.
Some what?
Movies.
What is that?
Gummy bears.
Oh, Moomies called gummy bears? I see.
Gummy bears. Here, I have some gummy bears for this cake.
Alright. Here, Easton, do you want to help your sister? You can go help her, okay? Here you go. Okay, Easton's got a spoon. He's going to come help you. Can you help him reach? Think he can do it? Yeah, you can put it, if you want, you can put it down where he can get it. Look, Easton. Easton, where are you? Hi. Easton, where are you? Easton, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Easton, where are you? Hi. Hi. Easton, can you say it? Can you say, where are you? Where are you? Say it. Oh, there you are. Hi.
Mama.
Can you say, where are you? I see you. Where are you? Say, where are you? Peekaboo. Oh, button. Button. Yeah, sometimes Easton calls buttons butt. I'll have to work on that one.